Rise and Grind, man. Back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video, we got a 2008 Jeep Patriot 2.4 4-cylinder. We're doing the throttle body on it. I had my customer hit me up, told me it wouldn't go over 30 miles per hour. Lack of performance. And I came out here and diagnosed it. Lo and behold, bad throttle body. It's down here, so we're gonna have to remove all of this here. Let's get it. Turn these that pop up. Simple. Move that. Holes back there. So that bottom end goes to the throttle body. It's another one you gotta undo. That clamp. And now we can see the throttle body. Got 4 bolts holding it. And it's the brand new one. So sitting down in there like that. So I broke those free. You see I got the connector undone. And I went in with that there 3/8 ratchet and a deep socket 10 mil. And I'm gonna loosen them up. So we got a new gasket. You want to install that. Take that orange one out, put the new one in. Got it up in there. Now it's got like a little lip. And it goes right in there. You set that right over that lip and it'll hold in place. If you don't get it on that lip, it won't set in place. Tighten it down. And that's it, man. Until next time, the Pull-Up King.